Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss some more questions that will be on the topic of proportion. I hope you all understood whatever we have studied in the last few videos. And as I think you get the idea how to find out the proportion or how to decide which number, which ratio are in proportion. So that today we shall discuss some different kinds of questions, but these questions will also based on the same topic. Okay, so don't be confused and just try to understand whatever I will say today. So students, let's start our today's topic. So here the first question is write the various proportions. Question number 1 is write the various proportion of the following of the following as possible as possible. Okay, student. This means that we have to find out all possible ways by which we can find out the proportion of the given number. So that there is the first number is there is the first number is 6, 24, 18, 72, and we have to find out the possible category or possible cases in which we can make it proportion. So in the first we shall write in the first case as the question given in its order 6 ratio 24 proportional to 18 ratio 72, only like this. Okay, now whenever we solve we get 6 1 are 6, 6 4 are 20 proportional to 18 1 are 18 and 18 4 are 72. So here we can see that the both ratio are equal or you can say equivalent. Therefore, they are in proportion. Therefore, this order for proportion. Therefore, this order for proportion. So this is the first case. Now let us see the second case. In the second case, we shall interchange the position of the digit which is given in the question. So first of here, we shall transfer 18 at the second place and 24 in place of 18. So here we get the second case 6 ratio 18 which is proportional to 24 ratio 72. And when we solve we get 6 1 are 6, 6 3 are 18 which is proportional to 24 1 ja 24 and 24 3 ja 72. Sorry, 24 3 ja 72. So in the second case, we can see that the both ratios are equal and hence this order will also be in the proportion. So this is the second case in which we can write the given four number in proportion. Now we shall again change the place of some number in order to get the new proportion by this number. Okay, so let us see the third case. Let us see the third case. In the third case, we shall interchange the place of first and second term, similarly third and fourth term. So we get here 24 ratio 6, which is proportional to 72 ratio 18. And when we solve, we get 4 ratio 1, which is proportional to 4 ratio 1. So here we can also see that these ratios are also equal and hence they are in proportion. Now let us see the next and the last case, that is the fourth, and in this case we interchange. What we interchange, let us see. So in the third case, if we change the place of, sorry, the place of, yes, the place of fourth and first place. Here we shall interchange the place of first and fourth place. So we get 72 ratio 24, which is proportional to 18 ratio 6. And when we solve here, we get 3 ratio 1, which is proportional to 3 ratio 1, and this order represents that the given these four numbers are in proportion. So students, in this way we shall write the possible proportions of the given number. Okay, student. So I hope you get the solution of such type question clearly. Okay. So now let us see one more question, some question from the same category for your practice. So now let us see the next question. We shall solve the same question here. So I think that the instruction is given to write. Then the question is given is 50, 150, 100 and 300. Okay. Now let us see its solution, how we shall solve it. So first we write as it is the question given. So in the first case we shall write 5 ratio 150 ratio 150 is proportional to 100 ratio 300. Okay, and whenever we solve, we get it 0 and 0 cancel out. 5 on the 5, 5 3 the 15. Therefore, we get 1 ratio 3, which is proportional to again 1 ratio 3. Okay, which shows that the first condition shows proportion. Now let us change some term. Let us see what we shall do. So if we change the first and second place, similarly the third and fourth place, we shall get the second case, that is 150 ratio 50, which is proportional to 300 ratio 100. Okay, now let us solve. We shall get 3 ratio 1, which is proportional to again 3 ratio 1. Okay, this case also represents that the numbers are in proportion. Okay, now let us see the next case, that is the third. What we can interchange in the third case, let's check. Okay, so in the what can we do in the third case? So let us see if we if we interchange if we interchange the first term in place of 100, no sorry, just change the second place to third and third to second. We shall get the third, and here we write 50 ratio 100, which is proportional to 150 ratio 300. So let me write some 50 ratio 100, which is proportional to 150 ratio 300. And here we can say that 50 1 ja 50 and 50 2 is 100, which gives 1 ratio 2, which is proportional to 1 ratio 2, and hence the third case shows that the given numbers are in proportion. Okay, so I hope that you get this clearly. And there is no any more case except these three cases. Therefore, these three cases representing the same, representing the proportion of the given number. So I hope that you understood it clearly. Okay, student. So now let us see the next question. The remaining question of this you have to solve at your home. We shall discuss the new type of question, which is the value based question, and the question says that a rectangle has the length and width in ratio. A rectangle has length and width in ratio 4:3. 4:3. If its length is 20 centimeters, if its length is 20 centimeter, then what will be width? Then what will be its width? So this is the given question. So let us see how we shall solve it. So here we consider, we shall solve this question by the traditional method. So consider length is equal to 4x and width is equal to 3x. Okay. Since here given that the length is 20 centimeter, so that it is obvious that 4x is equal to 20 because the value of length is given. Therefore, here we consider its length is 4x. Therefore, 4x will be equal to 20. So from here we can find out the value of x. That is, x is equal to 20 upon 4, which is equal to 5. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 5. Now, width is equal to 3x as we have considered. So that 3x, here we have already get the value of x as 5. Therefore, we shall substitute the value of x in 3x. We shall get 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15 meter. Therefore, 15 meter is the required width of the rectangle. So student, I hope you get everything clear. If you have any doubt, then please go to the comment section and mention your doubt. I will clear your doubt in my next video. Till then,